Hey guys, what's up? It's Nelia. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back for another video. In today's video, you can read by the title, we're gonna try a TWAID out with grease. Okay, I got two greases here, and let me tell y'all, these are not easy to find. Okay, I went to my local CVS, and they didn't even have like any greases really. And then of course I just decided, okay, well let me just go to a traditional beauty supply store, and of course, boom, plethora of different greases. So my girl Shantae from Me and These Curls, I'll link her channel below, she did a video about this one, so I decided to pick this one up because I trust her, and that's my girl style. This is the Blue Magic Originals Indian Hemp. Here it is in all its glory. This is like $4.99 at my beauty supply store. And then another YouTuber here, you'll definitely recognize the thumbnail when I pop it up, but she did a video about grease, and she was talking about how she's a little porosity and has a really itchy scalp. So she uses this grease. This is the Sulfur 8 medicated original formula anti-dandruff hair and scalp conditioner, and this one was a little more on the pricey side. This was $8.99. So altogether I spent about $16 on some greases. Wait, what's the math? $15 on some greases. Actually never in my life used Sulfur 8, but I do suffer from an itchy scalp, so I thought, why not try a little bit of this on there? I don't know. In my childhood, I am familiar with Blue Magic. I used the original formula, and knowing my mother, we probably did use Indian hemp, Mom. Did we? You know, she's watching, she knows. If you haven't heard about greases and petroleum and all that stuff, and how you know, natural hair community, we kind of, you know, shun away from it, but it actually isn't that bad. Okay, a little goes a long way. So essentially, we're gonna try TWAID out with it. I haven't used grease in my hair since I was a child, so we're gonna see how this comes out, and if I can recommend these products to you guys. We'll see. I actually already used the grease in my hair because in my head it's like shea butter. I know it's not, but like the texture and everything, and I like to use shea butter in my hair actually after the shower, like right after the shower, like as soon as it's like still hot and everything. So I did use my leave-in conditioner. I put some Mielle avocado moisturizing hair milk in as a leave-in conditioner, and then I immediately followed it up with the Blue Magic kind of as a sealant, which is what people usually recommend you use greases for. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take it down. I haven't seen it since I greased it on up and put it in this bun. Oh, by the way, I broke a nail, so if you guys see me looking nubby, I broke a nail. I'll fix it later though. Okay, let's go. That stuff smells good, by the way. The Indian hemp smells good. So I didn't wash my deep conditioner out good enough, but my hair is soft. I have nothing really bad to say about it right now. I mean, the grease is in there and everything. Here's my little heat damage area. I'm gonna do an updated video on that, but anyways, it doesn't feel like anything really. It doesn't feel bad, I tell you that. Okay, so let's get right into detangling, and then I'll come back when my hair is fully detangled, and I'll tell you what I'm gonna use to actually put in the TWAID. Okay, so if you guys can see this shine, but I'm not gonna lie, I feel like it really is gonna do a good job of like keeping my leave-in conditioner and the water in my hair, and I'm not mad at a shine. So of course, right now I'm not having any issues. We're gonna see how this TWAID out comes and how it goes during the next few days. So far, no issues. So I feel like I should follow up. Usually I would oil my scalp at this time, but I think I'm gonna follow up with this Sulfur 8 medicated formula. Just gonna, oh, it's really soft actually. Okay, so if you guys have never used this before, because I've never used this before. All right, put some on the back of my hand. I'm terrified. Okay, so the itchiest part of my scalp is right here. So am I doing this right? Do this. I'm being scared because like it really is like in my head like, this is bad, this is gonna clog my pores and Being low porosity, I know things tend to clog my pores easily. So just for that sake, I'm only gonna put it right here in the middle, down this middle area. And we'll see how it does there before I like lather it all over my head. Just rubbed it in, right down there. So, okay, that was easy. All right, let's just get into the TWAID out. So for this TWAID out, I wanna use the Melanin Twisted Elongating Cream. And with this, I'm gonna just use my Wetline Extreme. Nothing new or crazy. Let's start in the back. Because I have fine hair, I don't wanna do these too small because that's pointless for me. The chunkier I do it, the better result I like. Yeah, so I do want to add a little bit more of the Blue Magic. I mean, I said I'm gonna try to TWAID out with grease, so I really like the smell. I'm just going to, how am I gonna do this? Let's just split this into 2 sections. I think first I'm gonna go in with the Twisted Elongating Cream, and I'm not gonna keep scooping it out the jar like this, so here, so I'm just gonna lay it on top of here. A little bit of that, and just a smidge of the grease. Like boop, like barely any on my hand, guys. I'm just terrified. Okay, I'm gonna focus on my ends with this, not so much the body of my hair. Then we're gonna go in with the Wetline Extreme Gel, and that's all we're gonna do. I don't know if I need to explain this to you guys, my bad. So a TWAID out is a braid and a twist out combined. So you're gonna start with a braid. Let me zoom you in. So you're gonna start out with a braid, and then it's gonna turn into a twist, 2-strand twist. So here we go with the braid, and we're braiding, and we're braiding, and we're braiding. And then eventually you're gonna turn it into a twist. Now, when I first did this on my hair, my issue was how far does the braid go down and how far does the twist start? Like, I was confused, but I think half and half, or whatever your preference is really, but probably half and half is the way you should go. So this one's not entirely half, but you get the idea. So here's the first one. This is my ultimate detangler brush that is full of hair. Okay. Let's try to do this one half and half. Experimenting. Is that half? Sure. My broken nail's bothering me. Okay. Here you go. And I really want to focus on these ends, y'all. That will make or break this whole thing. All right, there's 2 of them. I'm just gonna continue to do the rest of my head till I get to the front, and I'll show you guys how it's coming along. Okay guys, it is like hours later, and I think it's always funny when like YouTubers come back and they look like a totally different person. Do I look like a totally different person? I know. It's hours later. I let my, I fixed my nail and I let it air dry, but mostly I sat under my bonnet blow dryer thing for an hour, and then it air dried. Usually I don't like drying my hair like that. Like, I rather it just sit in a style, like just sit like this for like a whole day, and then I take it out the next day, but we don't always have time for those things. Okay, so I actually already started in the back because I was getting excited. So here we go. And y'all, I am obsessed with the shine. Like, the shine, nothing beats this shine. It looks so nice. Oh, let me zoom you in. I'm so sorry. Okay. Here you go. Oh, it's so little and cute. Whoever designed this whole TWAID out idea, God bless you. I think also the choices I made for products, like the Melanin Twist Elongating Cream never does me wrong. Ever. Trying to take my time and just pull them apart. But this is coming out nice. I am happy. This is fun to watch, so I'm just gonna continue doing this and I'll come right back to you guys. Okay, you guys, I'm not gonna lie. Shine, cool, but I put too much. I put way too much grease. It's not like entirely weighed down or anything, but like, I don't like this shiny, greasy feeling. I think what I could have did was just put it on after the shower and then that's it. Like not even add some to the different sections. But it came out cute, as you can see. Definition on 1000. I'm gonna go through and separate some of these pieces like so. You guys can see. What I do like about the grease is that the ends don't entangle with one another, which is what my hair tends to do. So I'm easily like pulling them apart. So I do like that. I think to get more length, I should have came down further with the braid out part, but this is still cute. All right, we'll be back. So this part of my hair is blowing me because it is looser in texture, and you guys know my tension video. Like this is tension damage, probably mixed with heat damage at this point, but this is kind of blowing me right here, but we're just gonna pin that back. I'm in love with these results. I'm not in love with the feel of my hair. Oh, also that sulfur stuff kind of just got soaked in, I think, when I did the heat with the dryers, so that's good. I have no special picking technique. I just know that I have to go down where the issue is and grab it. Okay. Who's running late? Me, me, me. Who's running late? Me, me, me. Okay, you guys, this is the final result of my TWAID out with grease, and I like it. I did put too much grease for my little Porosity hair. Finger check. Okay, it's shiny, but ooh, I need edge control. I might put a little edge control on it later, but I like it. I'm gonna have to see how it goes over the next few days, but currently at this moment I do like it, and yeah, no complaints, guys. I'll keep you guys posted, so make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell if you haven't already, and just join the fam. We have a great time over here and we like to experiment and try new things. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this one. Bye.